हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए लेके आऊँ कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर रोल। तो अगर आप इस फील्ड में ऑलरेडी वर्किंग हैं, यू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग नॉलेज ऑफ पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एनी जॉब चेंज, और इवन इफ यू हैव जस्ट पास्ड आउट अ कोर्स, अ सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स और एन इंटर्नशिप कोर्स रिलेटेड टू पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग, देन डेफिनेटली कैन वॉच दिस वीडियो। वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में अवेलेबल हैं, रिमोट हैं कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम है, और what are the salary and other benefits these companies are offering. उससे पहले let me introduce myself. My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber and a job search consultant as well. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब अपडेट्स अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ. So in future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science field, related to Power BI developer, Python developer, full stack developer role, then definitely can subscribe this YouTube channel, follow my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well. And if you're watching this video first time, do not forget to share this channel with your needy friends and also comment your feedback in the comment box. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available, what are the opportunities, and how you can apply for the job post. Let's jump to the laptop screen.
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गए हैं हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज जो जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं दीज आर रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर एंड सीनियर पाइथन डेवलपर रोल. So I picked 5 jobs for this week, and out of these 5 jobs, 2 jobs are for remote and hybrid, and rest 3 jobs are for office. So you can choose the jobs according to your convenience. Video start करें उससे पहले just wanted to let you know about my Instagram page, which is Job Search Guru for you, where you can get latest job notifications. Also my website callcenterdocs.com, where you can visit and you can submit your latest job resume, and you can also follow the latest trending news on data science and machine learning. Now let's move to the job piece. So the first job is for the company name as a Supply Chain Solutions. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer, Python Django. Experience they are looking for 1 to 3 years. Location is in Gurgaon and Bengaluru. And salary they are offering is 3 lakhs per annum to 8 lakhs per annum. And for this post, you need to have the basic education of in computer science or software engineering. And let's discuss about some roles and responsibilities. So design and develop web applications using Python and Django web framework, collaborate with front-end developers to ensure smooth integration, work with database including but not limited to PostgreSQL SQL to store, manage application data, write clean, efficient and maintainable code following practices, collaboration with product managers, quality assurance engineers, code maintenance. So these are some basic roles and responsibilities, and anytime you feel you need to pause the video and need to go through with the roles and responsibilities again, please do that. Now let's look into some technical skills this company is looking for. So familiarity with Django framework, knowledge of web development concepts, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and basic understanding of database and SQL. To apply for the job post, simply just visit the description box where you can get the job application link. You can just click on the link and you can get land to the career page of this company called SS Supply Chain Solutions. The second company in the list is Capital Numbers. This company is hiring for the role of Python developer, experience 0 to 5 years. So it means if you have experience, if you are just fresher, you can also apply for the job post. Location is in remote, salary up to 22 lakhs per annum. I think they are providing very handsome salary, so you can just apply for the job post, but it will depend on your experience and what all skills you have in Python. Education is bachelor's degree in IT engineering or related field. Now let's look into some roles and responsibilities. Help architect and build out our web app backend. Work with the front end team to create API interfaces. Lead the way in developing scalable microservices. Upgrade your infrastructure to enterprise grade security. Design and implement of low latency, high availability. Performance tuning improvement, balancing usability and automation. Now let's look into some technical skills. Should have good knowledge of Python and Django, expert experience writing product grade maintainable Python code, extensive knowledge of web application relational database ORMs, keen eye for clean minimal code and well throughout software architecture, and can lead to a team of developers and also work single-handedly. So if you like to work independently, then I think you can apply for the job post. Even if you have this people management skills, then also this job is a good fit for you. To apply for the job post, simply visit the link and you can visit the description box and you can get the link over there for this company, Capital Numbers. The third company in the list is ZENSAR Technologies, which is now a leading company in technology. You can see the stocks in share market as well of this company. This company is hiring for the role of Python developer, experience 6 to 10 years. Location is in Pune. Education bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or related field. Salary is competitive. Now, roles and responsibilities: design, develop, and maintain robust and scalable backend solutions using the Django framework. Collaborate with cross functional teams, including front end developers, to integrate user facing elements using server side logic. Ensure high performance, responsiveness, and security of the backend systems. Troubleshoot, debug, and optimize code to address performance. Stay updated on industry best practices and emerging technologies to ensure our technology stack remains cutting edge. Some required skills, technical skills they are looking for is proven experience as a backend developer with expertise in Django framework, solid understanding of software development principles, data structures, and algorithms, proficient in working with database such as PostgreSQL, MySQL, or similar, strong knowledge of Linux operating system, and familiarity with front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Again, you can find the link in the description box. Click on the link. You can just read the entire roles and responsibilities and other technical skills and benefits these companies are offering to you. The fourth company in the list is very prominent consulting company Accenture. This company is hiring for the role of senior Python developer, experience 8+ years, location in Noida, education B Tech, M Tech, salary 12 lakhs per annum to 16 lakhs per annum. What exactly they are looking for is good to have knowledge skills, big data technologies such as Hadoop, Hive, Spark. Good to have knowledge experience building place software in Python, Scala, Java, PLC, SQL. Good to have knowledge experience with Jenkins, Pipeline, Bitbucket, Python unit code, and good communication skills. And educational qualification should be minimum 15 years of full-time education. Additional info. To apply for the job post, you can simply check the description box where you can find the link for this company Accenture. And the fifth company in the list is Intercontinental Exchange. This company is hiring for the role of Python developer, experience 3+ years, locations is in Hyderabad, and they are also offering you the hybrid opportunity. Education degree in engineering or computer science. Salary is 12 lakhs per annum to 15 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: assist in the designing, planning, and implementation of solution using Python programming language, build and maintain automation scripts in Ansible in Python, collaborate with cross-functional teams to develop and maintain RESTful APIs, possess strong knowledge of operating systems, have a deep understanding of file systems, mentor and coach junior developers to improve their skills and knowledge, analyze programming and modify software enhancement, participate in code reviews, design reviews. So these are some roles and responsibilities. You can just pause the video and you can just go through with each and every single point of this roles and responsibilities column. Now, technical skills: 6+ years of experience automating manual IT work processes, 5+ years of experience in software development with expertise in Python, 3+ years of experience with Windows Server or Linux Server, experience with containerization and organization using Docker and Kubernetes is an added advantage. Now, to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box where you can find the link for this company Intercontinental Exchange, and you can just go through with the link and can land to the career page of this company. So guys, these are 5 jobs for this week for Python and senior Python developer role. In case you missed this job or you're not finding suitable for this job or you're not finding you fit for this job, then definitely you can mail me my mail ID, which I'll be providing you in the description box along with your resume and whatever the best possible job opportunity related to Python developer or any data science developer role or any other role. Definitely I'll revert you on your mail ID. And if you're watching this video first time, do subscribe this channel because I keep on posting on daily basis these jobs, also on my Instagram and my Facebook page as well. And if you have any suggestions, any questions, you can also mail me and comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.